crap. Right here, motherfucker. Plotting on my job. This your boy, Lil Boosie Badass. They killed me there when I was 12. Turned me against it. Sent me to my first funeral, now I'm a big my daddy called him P. I never forget. He went to jail on Highland Road for trying to peace. Picked my auntie Trina though, looking for my cousin. Looked at me, crossed the street and said, boy, you ugly. Made 11, that was my first